Okay, my dear students, let's start the session number 6. The name of the session is Print the Letter Using Mail Merge. Means suppose that we want to print a single letter with the help of mail merge, then how we can do? In mail merge, my dear student, we need two things. What we need? We need two things. First one is, that is main document. Another one is data source. Yes, my dear students, if we want to print a letter with the help of mail merge, we need two things. First one is main document. Main document means that document contain the text. Means what text we want to send to the multiple recipient. That text contained by main document. And next one is data source. Data source contains the list of the recipient, means to whom we want to send a data. That is, data source have the list of those person. Means suppose that, my dear students, you want to send one letter to many persons. In main document, you will write down the content of that letter, and in data source, you will write down the list of the person to whom you want to send your data. Clear, my dear students? Now, suppose that this is my letter. Hello, how are you? Suppose that this is my letter and I want to send this letter to many recipients. Then how I can do? Suppose that this is my letter. Clear? This is my letter text that I want to send to multiple persons. Then how I can do? Now, first you will set your main document. Suppose that this is my letter and I want to send this letter to many recipients. Then how we can do? First, make the letter, and another step is click on tools. There you will find mail merge wizard. Just click on it. When you click on mail merge wizard, it shows the step-by-step procedure. Here are total 5 steps. In first step, it asks from you, select starting document for the mail merge. Means which document you want to use. Whether you want to use this current document, either you want to open a new document or start from existing document. We want to use the current document, means this document we want to use. That's why we click on use the current document. Click on next. Now in step number 2, it asks from you what type of document do you want to create. Either you want to create an email message or either you want to create a letter. I want to create a letter, that's why I click on letter. Again click on next. Now here you have to create your address block. Address block means, my dear student, what kind of addresses you want. Suppose that select address list. We will select the address list from here, and otherwise we can also create our own address list by this method. Suppose that we can create new address list. We need title, first name, last name, company name. The things that we require, we can write down here. Suppose that we need title, first name, last name. Even if you want to customize that list, you can also customize. Suppose that I need first name, add. First name is, suppose that I write here Neelam. Means this is already list, and if you want to add anything in this, you can add, or even if you want to delete any address list, you can delete. Suppose that this title, first name, Suppose I also need company phone number. Then I can add that field. Means anything that you want to make changes in the address list, you can make changes. Clear, my dear students? Suppose now I'm going to close this, and here I fill. Suppose I am filling first name Neelam, last name Mehla. My company name is ABC, and then suppose I am going to write city. Clear? Now click on new. It will show you another. Suppose in this I am filling Tanu, Rani. Company name is GEF, and also she belongs to Panipat. News. I am going to fill only 3 records. Next one is suppose I write here Kavita, Rani, company is ASC, and his city is Karnal. Clear, my dear student? I fill here only 3 records. Now first you have to save your file. Suppose that I want to save this file with the help of test. Clear, my dear students? Now click on OK, and now from here you will select the list of the address block. Means what address block you want to set here. This block you want, this block, and otherwise more option is here. You can select from here. Even if you want to create your own, then you can create your own. Suppose I want first name, and then last name I also want here, and then I want to write address line one here, and then I fill here city here. In this manner I want to set my text. Clear? Then you can click on OK, and then select that address block. Suppose this is my address block. You can see first name, last name, company name, and address, but we didn't fill the company name. First name, last name, address line 1, and then city. Okay, now you can see here is first record is here. Clear, my dear students? Click on OK. Then again from here click on OK. Now you can see here the records, first name, last name, and city. Now click on next. Here is next record, that is Tanu Rani, Panipat, and here is the third record, that is Kavita Rani from Karnal. From here again you will click on next. Now it will ask from you create a salutation, means whether you want to add dear Mrs. this one and dear Mr. this one. If you want to add, then click on insert personalized salutation, otherwise no need to click. Now click on again next. From here you can adjust the layout of your address block. Means आपका जो address block है वो कहाँ display हो. Here you can see, here it is, but in place of here we want to move upward. And now this is here, it shows आपका जो भी text है उसके नीचे आपका ये address block आएगा. But if you want to increase or decrease the margin from the top, you can increase or decrease like this. मुझे ऐसे चाहिए. Clear? And इसे थोड़ा सा डाउन भी है हमें. In this way मुझे लेटर चाहिए अपना. जो भी मेरा टेक्स्ट है वो सेंटर में आए, और जो भी मेरे फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, कंपनी नेम, एड्रेस लाइन है वो मेरा सबसे पहले आए. Clear, my dear students? Then click on finish. When you click on finish, what will happen? It shows this kind of recipient list here. You can click from here. Now you can see here is the first record, that is Neelam Mehla, and she belongs to Panipat. And here is another. Suppose that same I want to take the printout, that is Tanu Rani from Panipat. and this is the text. And now again click on this. This is third one, that is Kavita Rani from Karnataka. This is called, my dear students, print letter with the help of mail merge. Means I just write only one letter. This is my letter content. This is my letter content, and same letter I want to send to multiple person. That's why I can write here print letter with the help of mail merge. I just write only one letter and recipients automatically change here. I just click on here. This is number 2, this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3. Clear, my dear students? In this way, you can add the multiple recipients for a single letter.